see a need for New Zealand to increase its aid to Ukraine in light of, I guess, the last week's events?
Look, we're not starting at shadows at this point in time. We're going to wait and see what it all means. We'll make our decisions in the fullness of time.
Are you going to get a better deal on the ferries?
Pardon?
Are you going to get a better deal on the ferries?
That's two questions, and there's a whole lot of other people here. Yeah, let's have some balance, all right?
Mr. Peters, can I ask you about the Ministerial Advisory Group and what they had to say? Because they're still talking about that you would still need to pay that break fee, which is now $300 million, as well as still being able to negotiate with Hinder, which I know that you've just had that meeting. I mean, how do you feel about having to pay a break fee while still negotiating with the same people that you cancelled the ferries with in the first place?
How long have you been here? That's not a question, it's a ramble. And in September of last year, we released that information to you. So how come you take 6 months to absorb it and get it wrong?
If you go back
get it wrong. No, excuse me. The break fee is not just for the ferries, it's for the infrastructure that's being built around it as well. So it's much less than you say. In that context, if you relative to ferries.
Mr. Peters, if you go back with Hyundai, is the break fee essentially negated if you decide that you will in fact do business with them?
Look, with respect, this is for the negotiation between PRL and Hyundai. It's not for me to comment at this point in time.
So this is Sir Winston Peters from New Zealand First, and he's an absolute legend. Even when I disagree with a policy, I still have a lot of respect for him. And look at this guy. Now he works for RNZ, the state-funded, heavily biased broadcaster, and I don't think there's one straight person in that organisation. I think the whole lot of them are part of the rainbow community. He's got lovely flowers on his shirt there.
You see the problem you've got here? So we're quietly and dispassionately sorting this thing out. Yeah, but that doesn't answer the question. Yes, it does answer the question because...
You're a legend, Winston. You're an asset to New Zealand, mate.
Because there's a whole lot of infrastructure. Some with 10% started, some with 90% started, some with roof yet to go on. There's a whole lot of things that are being done at the moment. We're sorting that out. There was an excellent meeting.
This guy's definitely gay.
Well, we had a very frank discussion. We know that they are seriously interested. We know what their time frames are, their capacity. They are the biggest shipbuilders in the world after all, and so it was a great meeting. But I've also had the...
Yeah, she works for TVNZ, this lady.